This is the lead-type machinery. Our TTF series 4 automatic multiple station thermoforming machine is our latest developed core product. Let's follow the camera to know more about this machine. This is a sheet feeder. The first row, the second row. Double station sheet feeding. It is non-stop feeding. If one row is finished, the other can be running continuously. The sheet materials can be PP, PS, PET, PVC, etc. The sheet-on-sheet feeder goes through the tension mechanism into the feeding director. Feeding director guides the sheet into the track of the convection system. Then come to heating system. That is the upper heater. That is the lower heater. After the heating temperature reaches the temperature of the mold process, sending the sheet into the forming station. This is the fixed position for installing the replacement mold. It will be more convenient and fast. The combination of positive and negative pressure work with this mold. The convection system will deliver the semi-finished products into the punching station for punching hole, but this station is optional. The convection system transmits the punching products into the cutting position. Our cutting station is for cutting the edge. Then enter the staken station for staken. This is the finished product output. The last part is the waste material recycling part. It is for collecting the waste materials. All above is the working process of one circle.